You've got some investments. They're doing pretty well. You've got an investment plan that you're happy with. Great. But that is not a financial plan. It's only part of a financial plan. Suppose you owned a widget factory and your banker asked you to show him your business plan. You might say, well, we buy as much widget making material as possible, put it on the conveyor belt at the front of the factory, turn on the contraption, and bam, out the other side comes a widget. Well, your banker would rightly say, no, I didn't ask you for a manufacturing plan. I asked you for your business plan. Your banker would know that the goal of a widget factory can never be only the manufacturing of widgets. Widget manufacturing is certainly an important part of your plan, but it isn't all the plan. Tom Peters wrote that business is all about making things and selling things. But you've also got to sell the thing for a little bit more than it cost you to make it so you can have this thing called a profit and afford to make more things and stay in business. A business must also be concerned about the many potential glitches that can occur in the manufacturing process. Then there are taxes to pay and bankers to keep happy and insurance to buy and markets to find and suppliers to work with, and the list goes on. So business is about making things, but not only about making things. In the same way, one important part of your financial plan may be your investments, but your investments are by no means the whole of the plan. The reason we often mistake investing for financial planning is because unconsciously we think that nothing is ever going to go wrong. Well, good luck with that. A good financial plan is going to cover cash flow, debt management, insurance, savings, lifestyle planning, disaster planning, education funding, retirement planning, estate planning, and investment planning. If everything in your life goes smoothly from here on out, a good investment plan may work well for you. But if, like most people, a bad thing or two comes into your life, the lack of a solid financial plan could put you out of business. Offering you wisdom on wealth, I'm Byron Moore. Hi, this is Byron. Thanks for listening to the podcast. If you like what you've heard today, why don't you forward this podcast to someone that you think might also benefit from listening? Also, you can access more podcasts and columns, blog posts, and videos on my website, www.ruston.argentadvisors.com. That's Ruston, R-U-S-T-O-N, .argentadvisors.com. Go to the Wisdom on Wealth tab and access these resources. If you've got a question for me, then just send me an email at info@argentadvisors.com. And finally, maybe you're someone who wants some help with your financial situation. I only take on a limited number of new clients each year, and I can only help you if you're teachable, and I only want to work with you if you're nice. But if that sounds like you, and you're someone with $500,000 of investable assets or $250,000 in annual household income, and you're looking for help designing a plan to protect and grow and enjoy your wealth, well, then I would invite you to reach out to me. You can send me an email at info@argentadvisors.com. Just type the words preview meeting in the subject line. My office will be in touch with you to make arrangements for a phone call or an online meeting or an in-person meeting, whichever is appropriate in your case. Well, thanks again for listening. See you next time.